Morning students. In the previous video we have discussed about the kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia is divided into two, invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates includes the phylum which do not have the backbone or without notochords, and vertebrates includes the phylum Chordata, means which have the notochord. Invertebrates are divided into 8 phylum, that is phylum Porifera, phylum Platyhelminthes, phylum Annelida, phylum Mollusc, phylum Cnidaria, phylum Nematoda, phylum Arthropoda and phylum Echinodermata. And the phylum Chordata is divided into 5 classes. Class Pisces means all the fish, class Amphibia means amphibians, class Reptilia means all the reptiles, class Aves means all the birds, and the class Mammalia includes the human beings. Cat, dog means almost all the animals. So what is the basic character of mammals? Means they are warm-blooded. They give birth to their young ones. Some are the exceptional cases which give lay eggs, such as Platyhelminthes. And students, those who lay their egg, they also feed their babies with their milk only. So mammals give birth to young ones or the babies and feed them with the mother's milk. Mammals have the hairs. Mammals have external nose and ears, and they can breathe through their lungs or the pulmonary respiration. Now we will do the exercise. First one is the fill up. First, the smallest unit of classification is species. Second, the largest unit of classification is kingdom. Third, the scientific name of human being is Homo sapiens. Fourth, bacteria are included in the kingdom Monera. Fifth, amoeba capture food with the help of pseudopodia or the false feet. Sixth, fungi have the chitin in their cell wall. Seventh, Chlamydomonas is a unicellular alga that belongs to the kingdom Plantae, means this is single cell algae. Eighth, organisms belong to the phylum Porifera called sponges. Their body is like sponge or they have the hollow body. The phylum Cnidaria was earlier included under the phylum Coelenterata. 10th, vertebrates belong to the phylum Chordata. Now choose the correct option. First, bacteria have a cell wall made up of peptidoglycan. Second, during multiple fission, amoeba gets modified to form a cyst. Third, mycelia are found in moles. Fourth, mosses belong to the kingdom Plantae. Fifth, liver fluke belong to the phylum Platyhelminthes. Sixth, 2 feet are found in organisms belong to the phylum Echinodermata. Seventh, segmented worms belong to the phylum Annelida. Eighth, radula found in the mollusk, means snails have the radula. Ninth, frogs belong to the class Amphibia. 10th, animal which suckle their babies belong to the class Mammalia. Now see, match the following. So first one is mollusk. So correct option is soft body covered by a hard shell like snail. Second, moles. Moles have hyphae. Third, joint legs. So arthropoda have the joint legs. Fourth, comma shape, that are the bacteria. This is the shape of bacteria. Fifth, contractile vacuole present in the amoeba which help in the digestion of food. Sixth, Echinodermata, they have the spiny appearance. Seventh, nematoda, they have the cylindrical worms. And eighth one is the cnidocytes, that is the stinging cells to capture the prey. Now true false, you can see from here, otherwise I will show my copy also where you can see the correct answers. So first, all plants are autotroph. Students, as a layman you know plants are autotroph, but not all plants are autotroph. Some are heterotropic also, like Venus flytrap or the pitcher plant, means they cannot prepare their own food but depend on other plants or animals. Second, bacteria do not have a true nucleus. True. Fungi are heterotropic. True, means they cannot prepare their own food. Fourth, fish are vertebrate animal. True. Arthropods have an exoskeleton made up of chitin. True. 6, a genus is made of families. True. 7, mollusks have a closed vascular system. So answer is wrong. That is the open vascular system. 8, all reptiles lay egg. Not all. Almost all reptiles lay eggs. So answer is the false. 9, food vacuoles are present in amoebas. So it is true. 10, fungi reproduce by producing spore. That is also true. So students, in the copy also I have written, you can see the answers here also. I have written the correct statement also. Now we will do the question answer in next video.